Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the filter on your blue shower. So it is pretty simple. You can unscrew this upper part, so no need even to remove it from below, like this. And this is recommended to do like every 3 months or so, but mine one I'm changing after 1 year, so let's see how the old one looks. It will all depend from the quality of water you have. So my water is not that much bad, so that is why I can change it maybe only once a year. Be careful to take this rubber inside, not to lose it. So we will now just let the old one go, like this. And you can see the difference between the new one and the old one, how different they are. So this is after 1 year. You can see it is really dirty, and like I said, this one is just, you need to be careful. You have this arrow up, so make sure to put that arrow like it's showing here, up. So put that direction, same direction you put here. You see here, this is a foam which is this much dirty. So let's put that one like this, the new one. Old one, you will see, I will keep it before throwing it, so just to show you. And just return this one back, and that's it. This was actually not a rubber, but it's the plastic part, as you can see here. So no need to put any rubber here, but there is one rubber here in this one, so make sure not to lose this one. So yeah, let's return it back now. Simple as that. All the way back, and let's try it now. Take some time to fill it up, but yeah, now it is great. So that is how it is, simple as that. And let's just look more into details. This old one, how dirty it is. So it got separated here. Yeah, you can see it has a lot of these filters. So if you have really bad water, this will be filled after a couple of months. But as you can see, mine one is still alive even after 1 year, although very dirty, as you can see here. So good time to change. Maximum after 1 year you should replace. And even these things inside which are filtering the water, they lose its property after some time, so it's good to change it. You saw the difference between this old one and new one. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.